Hello everybody, this is a crypto update here with Bitcoin, because Bitcoin has such a big influence on the crypto market. It makes up more than 50% of the market capitalization of the crypto market. Now let's have a look here where we are, right? So after our long-term entry signal here in October, we have put in a nice one-leg move, just about to break the consolidation high. This is the consolidation high. This is an S1 pattern. And we are just testing the consolidation high. The problem is that this is just a one-leg move, right? We only have bullish bars, so it's kind of a series of 6 or 7 bullish bars. Will this be the first bearish bar coming in? Well, maybe, right? Sooner or later we're getting a bearish bar. The question is now, can it break the consolidation high? Then we should see another series of bullish bars, because then we get a stop run move. Or are the bulls shying away from the consolidation high, which is a resistance level, right? And do we see now the first real pullback? So where would a good pullback, like in a healthy trend, where would a good pullback go? Well, it would go back to the 21 moving average, right? To the 40,000 level. So currently we're around 60,000, so that would be kind of that would be kind of a 40% pullback, right? In strong exponential up legs, that's what we typically get. 35-45% pullbacks are very healthy and normal pullbacks. Just remember, we more than doubled, right, since the long-term entry signal. So whatever happens, if we break to a new high, well, then we're happy to get some more bullish bars, a couple of more months, or we get a good healthy pullback, right? Either or is good. Now let's have a look what is more likely to happen. So we can see here, well, one time frame low, we actually see that it's 2 legs, right? 2 legs of equal length. Now the second leg basically is ending here at the consolidation high. And we can see how there's this bull-bear fight, right? We've got a rejection wick on the top, we've got a rejection wick on the bottom, right at this level. And now we have to see, now it's still respecting the 8 moving average, right? So if this does not hold, this was a test of 21 of 8 that held the dynamic support. So if 8 doesn't hold, well, then it's probably move to the next lower level of dynamic support, which is a 21. And we might find this to be sufficient, right, at around 53,000. We might even find a consolidation pattern forming here, right, waiting for a touch of the 21. So everything depends. Now this is a pressure point, right? We've got 2 directions, either up, then it will move strongly, or we're going to find now support, right? It's either around the 50,000 level or lower, like one time frame higher, that would be lower around the 40,000 level. Either is good, right? And I'm looking forward how this crypto market, how it's developing going forward. For the time being now, the critical level is basically the breakout failure low. So this one here, currently it's just testing the flat line of the S1 pattern. Well, I forgot to say we've got another S1 pattern, right, in the 4-hour chart, and this is the line. So currently it's testing the flat, which is not unusual either. So no reason to panic. Well, if we break, we can move that now higher actually. Now if we break the breakout failure low, well, this would basically be the sign that, okay, now it looks like we're getting a deeper pullback. So if an S1 fails, well, then the target becomes the start of the move, like the start of the momentum move, and that's down here. It's a 50,000 level. And the 50,000 level basically clusters with the 21 moving average, right, on the weekly. So this is then the next level. Then it's a psychological number, the 50K. So that's basically the next level where price could go to. Either back to test the 50, then we see how it holds, or it breaks to a new high, and then we should see this to continue, even accelerate to the upside. And if it accelerates to the upside, well, the next level is the 100,000 level, big psychological level. So when are we going to meet the 100,000? Well, let's see. Is there going to be a pullback and then we break higher, or are we going there immediately? I don't know. The market will tell.